Watch him. He wants me, but he don't want me. What is it? What's the matter? Huh? What's the matter? You okay? Are you hurting? Huh? What is it? He's 4 years old. He's always been playful. But like right now, look, he's just wanting to sit down and just I don't know. He wants me, but he don't want me. If that makes any sense. It just don't make no sense to me. When I pet him, he ram. And when I don't, I just don't know. I don't want to aggravate him, you know. Just don't want to aggravate him. But it's like he don't want me to touch him. That's what I'm getting. When he meows like that, he's like he wants to. He's like, hey man, leave me alone. But see how he gets close to me, like he wants me. What is it, buddy? You okay? You okay? What? What is it? Tell me what.